Okay, so hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and today we are going to do the reading for the mid-monthly August readings for Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising. It's not a love reading or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. And if it is not resonating, this is not your story. This is not a love reading. It's journal energy check-in for the rest of the days. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Let's start. The overall energy for Aries people for the rest of the month of August 2025 is, let's see what we have. We have the Wheel of Fortune. So the tables will start turning in your favor, things will start shifting. If you were feeling stagnant in your life from quite a long time now things will start changing for you. Now the change can be, negative or positive as per your energies, as per what is going on right now in your life. But change is in the air, and the overall energy is telling me that you are going to be focused on adapting with the changes that life is throwing at you at this present moment. Okay, let's see what was happening in the recent past. In the recent past, 10 of Pentacles, either you were focused on money, job, career, finances, and or your family kind of dynamics, or something related to your family's stability was there that you were very focused on or you were working on. It might be possible that you had a business kind of deal going on where a family was included or other people were also included, and you were trying to create something really beautiful and meaningful and stable and safe for yourself and your family. Currently we have the Devil. Some kind of addictions or some kind of not so good energies or toxic kind of patterns or toxic kind of situations are kind of keeping you stuck in a loop right now at this present moment, Aries. Okay, we will clarify these cards one by one in order to get the clear picture of the situation. By the end of this month, we have the High Priestess. You are going to be in tune with your intuition. You are going to be working on few things or situations in your life behind the scenes. It's like you are not going to be too much expressive or too much of impulsive in your life. You are going to be like, okay, let's do it, but let's do it gently, and let's do it behind the scenes. Okay, let's clarify the 10 of Pentacles in the recent past for you guys. We had the Seven of Pentacles, the King of Wands, and the Hierophant. So you were in this waiting and watching kind of a mode. You were taking a step back from something and you were trying to evaluate the situation from a distance. Although there was a strong desire, there was a strong urge to go in a particular direction and make something happen, but something was stopping you to go in that direction and maybe make changes in the way you are going in that direction, and or changes in the perception that you had regarding a particular situation, point of view change or energy shift. But there was something that you felt is spiritually aligned with you, that is something that you need for the maybe rest of your life, that was very meaningful for you. Something was very meaningful for you, and you felt like you should go in that direction and do something about it to make that thing happen. It could be a business deal, it could be a family kind of dynamics, or it could be a relationship that was very meaningful for you. It can be romantic, it can be a friendship, it can be a business deal come friendship kind of a deal. But something was stopping you to go in that direction and make something happen. You had to wait. You had to wait and watch. There was this energy of, okay, even if you wanted something with all of your heart and soul, there was a sense of, okay, you have to wait no matter how desperately you wanted something or someone to show up in your life. Currently we have the devil. This is not a very healthy energy, unhealthy pattern, unhealthy energies, unhealthy things coming up for you guys. Let's clarify the devil. We have the page of pentacles, the nine of pentacles, the page of swords. It's a very good energy. You are learning to start your life, initiate some kind of chapter in your life that is directly related to your independence, freedom, overall freedom in your life. That includes a lot of money and finances also. You are learning a lot of new things where you're trying to detach yourself from toxicity, negativity, addictions, unhealthy patterns, unhealthy attachments. So there was something that you were attached to and you wanted that very badly, but something was kind of not letting you go in that direction. Currently you are trying your best to start your life from scratch. You're learning a lot of things in order to detach yourself, or you can say, let go of certain people, situations, or things, or toxicities or negativities, so that you can be independent and free in your life without any kind of unhealthy attachments. For most of you it is unhealthy connections that you're leaving behind. For some of you it might be addictions. The addiction can be of anything. It can be of a sweet addiction, alcohol, or workaholic, or whatever the case may be. But you are starting a brand new chapter of your life where you're learning a lot of stuff about how to let go of the toxicity and negativity in your life and be independent and be free. By the end of this month we have the high priestess. Let's clarify this, sweetheart. Let's see. Let's clarify the high priestess here. Two of Wands, the Hermit, and the King of Pentacles. Sorry. So you will be in this energy of just working, like using all of your wisdom, your knowledge, your intuition, and you can say all of your lessons that you have learned till this point of your life. And you will be waiting for the time when you will be able to integrate all of that you are learning right now, or that you have learned till this point of your life right now, to show up the good results, to show up the stable, secure, safe, and mature and grounded kind of energies that you're yearning for from quite a long time now, Aries. For most of you, it is related to your stability, directly related to your money, finances, family kind of dynamics, or something that you needed uh, from a very long time. But now you are understanding that you have to work on yourself first in order to achieve whatever you are trying to achieve, maybe as a group or as a team. And then by the end of this month I do see you silently working on few things and waiting for the results to show up in your 3D world, so that you can be at peace, so that you can seek the universal validation that you're on the right track, and you're getting the results finally that you are going to be working on by the end of this month. For you, the guidance here is the Ace of Swords. So you have to have the mental clarity. You are working on yourself, you are letting go of toxic and negative situations out of your life. Still you are waiting, for things to fall into place, and you are going to be secure, safe, and mature and grounded and all that. But there might be lack of mental clarity in your life, where you might not be able to understand what you exactly want. So you have to be very, very clear in your mind that this is what you want in your life and this is how it's going to be for you. You don't have to plan your whole life, but right now, what is the most important thing that's bothering you, that's stopping your growth in actually every area of your life, that you need to properly work on, so that you can properly move ahead in your life and create that stability that you're looking forward to have. Mental clarity is required. Proper mental clarity is required so that you can manifest the exact life that you're wanting, right? But yeah, it's a game of stability for you right now. Let's see the guidance for you from the angel. cards. I just saw them. I am going to just read the guidance part. An excellent opportunity will be offered to you, scholarships or the pursuit of education. Time to get to work. If you are not able to focus on your work, or you were not able to like declutter your mind regarding what you need and what you don't need, you need to focus on that. Okay, so that you can exactly manifest what you really really want in your life, so that it's going to be easier for you and the universe both, right? Right now I feel like you're just looking for universal validation that yeah, I'm on the right track. Universe, show me the signs that I'm on the right track, something like that. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.